When a team builds a robot for First LEGO League, it is important to build a robot that can be used for many missions. One way of doing this is to design a docking station. That includes a motor where attachments can be easily switched between missions. When designing your attachments, build ones that can be quickly inserted and removed from your docking station. Have each of your drive teams practice swapping the attachments so every driver can do it quickly and smoothly and in the correct order. Practicing before the event helps to calm the driver's nerves and avoid making mistakes during the heat of the match. When launching from base for a mission or series of missions, it is important to always start your robot from the exact same spot. If the robot starts from a different spot, it will end up in different places. If the starting angle of the robot is different, the difference will increase as the robot travels farther from base. What might be a minor difference of 1 degree at base could become a difference of several inches after traveling across the field. Although lining up with the grid lines in base might seem like a good idea, there are some disadvantages. First, it is very hard to be precise when lining up by sight. Second, lining up by sight can eat up a lot of time, which takes away from valuable seconds that your robot could be scoring points on the field. When planning your robot design, it can be very helpful to build a bumper around your robot. A bumper can help you with precision and speed of launching. Another way to help your robot launch from the exact same spot is to and use a jig. A jig is an item you build to place your robot against when launching. Using a jig helps the drive teams consistently line up the robot to the same starting position. It can also shave off seconds off your placement time. Use the rear or side of the bumper to line up against the wall or surface when launching. This helps ensure a consistent angle and position. Using the bumper, you can drive your robot into a wall or surface to realign the robot's angle. This is especially helpful after making turns or traveling long distances on the field. We hope you find these tips helpful. Good luck competing!